So guys, now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day once the market opens on our gold. So let's see what market is going to be doing for us for the day. But before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for us for the day, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on the updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend. So first thing first, before we take a trade, we need to know what the trend is. Remember, you do not take a trade if you do not know the trend. You must know the trend before you can take a trade. So this is where the rules of trading comes in. First rule of trading is know your trend. Second rule of trading is trade with your trend. So we have the main trend and we have the current trend. Now this is the main trend on our gold. It says we are in an uptrend move. This is our main trend on our gold. We are in an uptrend move. Now this is the current trend on our gold. It also says that we are in an uptrend move. So this is our current trend on gold. Our current trend on gold is also in an uptrend move. Now guys, take a look at this movement on your daily time frame. This is your high. Here comes your higher low. This is an higher high. This is the higher low, right? Markets push up right here to form a new high right here, right? It's literally push up to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. You know, on Friday, I told you guys clearly that markets will push up to form a new higher high. And market has now pushed up to form an equal high. So we would expect the movement to continue till it is able to fully give us a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, what we are trying to say is that whatever you would want to be doing on your gold, you would want to be going in for the buy. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So if you do not want to miss out on any updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.